Dyson cordless vacuums are known for strong suction, smart filtration, and lightweight designs. But which model fits your space, floors, and budget? In this guide to the best Dyson cordless vacuum, we compare cleaning power, runtime, bin capacity, and included tools across V-Series and OmniGlide options. You'll learn how motor watts, air watts, and high-efficiency particulate air seals translate to real-world pickup, and which accessories matter for pets, stairs, and cars. Let's match you to a cleaner that actually makes daily tidying effortless. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Dyson V11 Torque Drive Plus Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. If you want deep whole home cleaning without a cord, the Dyson V11 Torque Drive Plus is a strong fit, especially if you value smart power management and clear feedback as you clean. You'll clean every floor with confidence. The digital motor bar cleaner head adapts to carpets and hard floors, while Dyson's dynamic load sensor technology automatically adjusts suction to match the surface, giving you the right balance of power and runtime. An LCD screen keeps you informed with a second-by-second runtime countdown, performance data, and maintenance alerts, so you're never guessing when to recharge or service the filter. You also get 9 Dyson-engineered tools to reach into tight spaces and tackle stubborn messes. A combination tool, crevice tool, light pipe crevice, reach under tool, stubborn dirt brush, mini soft dusting brush, hair screw tool for long hair and pet hair, a wand, and a docking station with wand clip to keep essentials handy. The bagless design is easy to empty, and the post-motor filter helps capture fine particles for a cleaner home environment. At just 6.68 pounds and powered by a 25.2-volt battery, it's easy to carry upstairs, lift overhead, and store on the wall dock. If you want a refurbished Dyson that intelligently adapts power, shows you exactly what's left, and comes ready with the right tools, the V11 Torque Drive Plus helps you clean faster and more thoroughly every time. At number 4, Dyson 5.8 Plus Cordless Vacuum. If you want quick, powerful cleaning without dragging a cord, the Dyson V8 Plus keeps pace with busy homes. You get up to 40 minutes of fade-free suction for everyday messes with 2 power modes to match the job. Powerful mode balances suction and run time, while Max mode delivers a 5-minute burst when crumbs, grit, or pet hair are really stuck in. You'll cover every surface with confidence. The motor bar cleaner head deep cleans carpets and hard floors and actively detangles long hair and pet hair as you go. Less maintenance, more cleaning. When it's time for detail work, convert to a handheld in seconds and snap on the crevice tool for edges and corners, the mini soft dusting brush for blinds and shelves, or the hair screw tool for stairs, car seats, and pet beds. Air quality gets attention too. High-efficiency particulate air filtration helps capture fine particles, so you're not just moving dust, you're removing it. The lightweight 2.6 kilograms design is easy to lift overhead and maneuver under furniture. And the trigger power only uses energy while you're actively cleaning, stretching every minute of battery life. Storage and charging are streamlined with the included wall dock and charger, so your V8 Plus is always ready when you are. If you want strong suction, simple controls, and versatile tools in a cordless package, the Dyson V8 Plus makes everyday cleanups faster, easier, and more thorough on every floor in your home. Number 3, we have the Dyson V11 Origin Cordless Vacuum. If you want powerful, hassle-free cleaning across every floor in your home, the Dyson V11 Origin is a smart fit. You get up to 185 air watt of suction with 3 modes. Auto for everyday cleaning and balanced battery use, Eco for maximum runtime, and Boost for 5 minutes of deep, targeted power when messes are stubborn. You'll cover carpets and hard floors with confidence. The motor bar cleaner head digs into fibers and automatically detangles long hair and pet hair as you go, reducing maintenance. When you need precision, convert to a handheld to clean cars, stairs, upholstery, and tight corners with the mini soft dusting brush, crevice tool, and hair screw tool. Stay in control as you clean. The LCD screen shows remaining runtime to the second, power mode, and maintenance alerts, so you know exactly what's left and when to rinse the washable high-efficiency particulate air filter. The trigger-style power helps conserve energy, using suction only when you're actually cleaning at just 6.6 pounds. This bagless, cordless vacuum is easy to maneuver and store on the included wall dock. You also get a wand, charger, and a long-lasting lithium-ion battery. If you want strong suction, smart runtime management, and tools that adapt to every task, the V11 Origin keeps your whole home clean without a cord slowing you down. At number 2, Dyson 515 Detect Plus Cordless Vacuum. If you want a cordless vacuum that shows you what you're missing and proves what it picks up, the Dyson V15 Detect Plus is built for you. You get up to 240 air watt of suction with 3 power modes: Auto for daily cleaning and smart battery use, Eco for maximum runtime, and Boost for 5 minutes of intense spot cleaning when messes dig in. You'll clean more effectively in fewer passes. The fluffy optic cleaner head reveals invisible dust on hard floors, while the digital motor bar head deep cleans carpets and hard floors and detangles long hair and pet hair as you go. The hair screw tool targets hair on stairs, car seats, and pet beds fast. A mini soft dusting brush and crevice tool help you tackle vents, keyboards, corners, and baseboards without swapping machines. Stay in control as you work. The LCD screen shows remaining runtime to the second power mode, maintenance alerts, and a live count of collected particles, so you know when a room is truly clean. The power trigger only uses energy when you're actually cleaning, stretching every minute. High-efficiency particulate air filtration helps capture fine particles for cleaner air in your home. At just 2.74 kilograms with a wall dock and charger included, you can reach up high, go down low, and finish faster, without a cord holding you back. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Dyson Gen 5 Outsize Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. If you want corded cleaning power without the cord, the Dyson Gen 5 Outsize is built for big homes and bigger messes. You get up to 60 minutes of fade-free runtime, plus an extra battery for extended sessions. Choose the right mode for the job. Auto balances power and runtime. Eco stretches every minute, and Boost targets stubborn dirt. You'll cover more floor faster. A 25% wider digital motorbar XL cleaner head and a 150% larger bin mean fewer passes and fewer trips to empty. On hard floors, the fluffy optic cleaner head uses illumination technology to reveal hidden dust, helping you clean more thoroughly. When you need detail work, convert to a handheld and grab the built-in dusting/crevice tool, the combination tool, or the hair screw tool that detangles long hair and pet hair as it picks up. Breath easier as you clean. A fully sealed, washable, high-efficiency particulate air filtration system captures fine particles to help keep your air fresher. The LCD screen keeps you in control with second-by-second remaining runtime, power mode, and maintenance alerts, while auto mode intelligently adapts suction to floor type. At just 8.6 pounds, this bagless, cordless vacuum is easy to maneuver across all floors. You also get a charger, docking station, wand, and 2 batteries, all powered by a 22.2-volt system. If you want more power, larger capacity, and smarter control in one cordless package, Gen 5 Outsize helps you clean deeper and finish sooner. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which Dyson cordless vacuum you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.